Hi, this is how to make a dragon puppet. First, we're going to sit down at a table. Okay, Scarlett, get out the way. Okay, I'm actually going to tell it to this way. A minute. Jesus. Okay, get as many papers as you need. If you need. This is Marshmallow. No, her name's not Marshmallow. What's her name? Carla Barley. I forgot to put the bottom mouth on her. Yeah. Okay. She's a cutie. Okay. First, we're going to get a paper. First, we're going to hold the paper. Fold. How many times you want. If you fold a lot, thanks you. Okay, I'm just acting. Very bad acting for me. I don't know how to act but I could try some acting lessons. And then you're going to tape it. Good. Wow, how'd you get there? Make sure to do it like 3 times or 2 because I'm going to do 2 safe tape. Get another piece of paper. Decline. Get another one. Fold the same thing again. Make sure to measure it to the correct side. If it's not, that's okay. That's cool beans. First, we're gonna roll it like a big paper. Oh, let me scoop mine. Snoop away. Yeah. The yacht army. Oh, there's just this thing on me. What's your tax benefits? Okay, shape it together, pull it down, cut it like a square so it can be this short, this one taller than it. Then, you get a pencil. Do that onto it. Get one paper and another paper. Keep these papers aside, then level these. Then we're going to bend the long one. Like if it isn't perfect, that's fine. So yeah. Now bend your thumb one. Okay. get your two pieces of paper that are on top of each other, turn it rectangular, get your pencil, and get your hand like that, of how big you want your hand. Okay. Have y'all seen that video, that clip on Stranger Things? That when Billy gets eaten by that monster thingy? It's not cool though. Like, not cool. Why are you not vegan? I'm not vegan, I hate being vegan. If I was vegan, I would throw up. I would throw up like, for it. Would you? Yeah, I think you would. Okay, now we're going to tape the big part of this. But you trace it, and then you get that, and tape the shape that your hand was on, like that. Tape it again to make sure it's on good. Like, very good. Now we're going to do the other one. And tape it 2 times to make sure it's good. Then put your hand on it, then it will fit on your hand. Then get your scissors, cut the piece you had. You can cut it however you want, like, yeah. Didn't have it like that. I cut the top when I was doing it. So please, no hate. How can y'all just like draw a circle and get 1K views? Like, I used to get like 10K views, and now I get like 1 view, 5 views. That's all I get. Nowadays, I just get like 1 view. I used to get mean views, cool views, very awesome views, but that just changed now. I'm not going to play. Then, now that you're done with both of them, now you're going to get a piece of tape like that, flip it on the sticky side, put it right under there, and tape it so it'll look like this. And then put it on top of it, and shove it on there. Shove it in there. Do it 2 times to actually make sure. Wow, thumbs up, guys. Wow, shut up. Wow, can you please shut up? I don't care if y'all tell me to shut up because I'm a kid. Now, if it doesn't work, I'm sorry because you did it wrong. If it didn't work, I'm sorry, get out. Okay. Y'all, I'm just kidding. No credit back for this. I messed up on this one. Ariana Grande. Who names their child Ariana? And then their last name Grande. Of course I would, because I love Ariana Grande. And I would choose. Did it just show that ad? Pug Supply Singer. Oh, who cares about your business? Then it will be like this. Get your base. Now you have go throw away your nasty paper. Get one piece of paper. Get this. And open it up like a box. Get your pencil, your crayons, and trace how big the front is of it. I'll show y'all. Okay, so this is what I did. I did that. Then I traced it. Do the same for the bottom. There will come a soldier who carries a mighty sword. He will tear your city down. Olay, 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 olay. He will tear your city down. Olay, 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 olay. You can do any design you want for your dragon. I'm just doing like a gray one so I can finish up. I'm gonna do an eye that is very ugly. I'm just kidding. I have to do it because so I can just hurry up. Why not deep yellow? Oh, Jesus. Who not? Okay, good. It looks like a magical pig. It looks like a magical pig. It looks like a magical pig. Okay, now I'm going to do... Okay, now let's cut it out. Okay, I can't do that because my phone won't let me do it. I don't know how to edit my video. Like, it's so bad. I hate this. You're tired. Hit or miss. I guess it doesn't miss, huh? You got a boyfriend, I bet he doesn't kiss ya. I'm cutting out my Mrs. Dragon. Her name is Mrs. Piggy. That's an easy name. This is ugly. Okay, actually don't pick on my art because I just try my best. And every time I do art, all of y'all just say, ha ha, she can't draw. You guys need to shut up and act nice. This one girl on one of my drawing videos, I was drawing all the albums of Taylor Swift. And guess what she said? Girl can't even draw. I cried. No hate on this video because that girl would actually said that. She was like a black girl. She had a black profile. And that girl is my enemy. Every hate comment on this video, y'all are my enemy then. Because I cry if you guys even said a mean word to me. Well, actually, this name is going to be Koala. Koala? Huh? Koala. Okay, that's too big. gonna do this. Chew, 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 chew. Put on mouth. I'm gonna ask my friend Addie if she can come over to church tonight. It's Wednesday at, let me see what time it is on my phone. Okay, I can't right now because it won't let me. Because if I do that, it will end the video. So, yeah, we can't do that. Meet Koala. Her name's Koala because she has a big nose and she's cute. I love her nose. See on the bottom, it's messed up, but it's okay. You can make yours. How you make Dragon Purple. Hope you guys like that. Like and subscribe.